D5-Air, an airborne drone detection system mounted on a UAV platform. It brings drone detection capabilities into the air. It integrates signal detection, data analysis, positioning, tracking, and air-to-ground communication. It enables real-time monitoring and precise positioning of target drones and their operators.
D5-Air installation and operation.
Before installation, power off the UAV and inspect the device and mounting components. Align D5-Air with the designated mounting position. Then install and secure it in place. Make sure the device is firmly attached, with no looseness or movement. Connect the power and communication cables. Then arrange and secure the wiring. Keep all cables clear of the propellers, gimbal, and other moving parts. Check the device orientation, cable connections, and the overall balance of the UAV. Confirm that the device is online and that data transmission is functioning normally. Complete the pre-flight checks. Then launch the UAV into the mission airspace. Once airborne, D5-Air begins performing drone detection from the air. It uses passive detection and does not transmit electromagnetic signals. It covers frequencies from 400 MHz to 6 GHz, with a detection range of up to 5 kilometers. It provides 360-degree horizontal coverage and vertical coverage from -90 to -15 degrees using CRPC 2.0 DroneID and remote ID protocols. The system identifies and locates detected targets. Target information is transmitted to the ground terminal in real time for enhanced airspace awareness.
D5-Air features a modular design
and supports both tethered and untethered deployment. It is suitable for government, public security, critical infrastructure, airports, stadiums, and correctional facilities.
D5-Air extends drone detection from the ground into the air.